Hi Carter, what are you doing?
Hey, dirt, see you later.
What is the holding in your hand?
I'm an excavator.
What's holding in your hand?
I've got a great big arm and a
What
great
color
big
excavator?
boom. If I start
Good
digging
job.
now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big